So recently you'll notice that we did our horn. So those that know me very well from all my videos, you'll know that I believe that vehicles like this should have proper horns, and this one doesn't. We'll have when we finish though. So we're going to go from the current horn being that to something a little bit more, well, we'll see. That's a 12 or a 13, no doubt. Yeah, because the way it works, you just have to tighten it. So much easier with a wrench. Where's that big bastard? You got the big one. It's a bit of annoying. That ain't going anywhere. Can't go anywhere anyway. Once the bumper's on it, ain't going anywhere. Right, yeah, cook up here with my outfit. I need to see up it, which is positive, which is negative. You got... I'll move that. That's negative. Inside there. Inside there. Positive. Did you leave the lock off the window? So I can leave through. That works. So we have air. Right.
Wait, I'm moving. It's gonna be loud.
Back recording. Back recording, by the way. Got the dog that you need. Got it? That is the 10 cable. Thing. Have you got your phone with you?
Yeah.
Turn that down. No, I need the proper spanner, sorry. That's the 13, 10 still. It's just so I don't get a copyright strike. I think we're in enough shit with copyright. It does say on the box next to one. No one asked your opinion.
Shit myself.
How do you think I feel when I work near the bloody thing? Right. This has got to be fed.
Yeah, I'm ready for it. I'm too small.
So I think the steering wheel keeps turning.
Yeah. Out of the way.
That works.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing.
Just like to say thanks for watching the recent video on the air horn. Unfortunately, I did lose some of the footage. I never actually filmed an ending. It was a bit rushed. It's the first time I've ever done a bit on just, you know, adding to the vehicle or a bit like that. So it was a bit rushed and fading light, and don't know why I rushed, because the LED light we had was like brighter than the sun. But I rushed, and unfortunately it does show in the video. However, I am going to be doing more videos like this, and I'll be taking my time with them in future and making sure I've got all the footage I need. Obviously it can be quite difficult as well filming out there, because I'll be taking my laptop in future so I can make sure that everything is actually working as it should do. So all I can say is thanks for watching, and all the usual links that are now appearing on the screen will appear very shortly. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye for now.